Hi everyone. So this video actually I'm not happy making this video, but I just need to put this information out there so that my subscribers will not fall victim because this person just got rejected into monetization. He applied for monetization and it was rejected, and this is not the first case. I've seen like 3 or 4 people message me about this particular method, and I see a lot of people still doing it on this YouTube space. This video is not for me to tell you to stop doing it because I know that you might have heard from other people that you should be doing it, but I've always said it. If you see that anything someone is telling you, that person is not practicing it in his or her channel, please do not do it. Even if I'm the one that come here to tell you that, okay, do this, press this, don't press this, go live streaming like this, don't go live streaming like this, and I don't give you the evidence, and you do not see it on my channel that I'm doing that same method, please don't try it. Please do not try it. As you all know, I got monetized using Restream, and the video are still up on my channel for people that are doubting that, okay, I don't want to use Restream. They said they should not use Restream so that I will not be denied monetization, so that after monetization I will not be removed again. If you are part of those people that think like that, hmm, you are wrong. Just go to my live stream section. You're still going to be seeing the evidence there because I purposely left those live stream there so that people that come into my channel, they can actually see that I practice what I preach. I'm not just here to tell you that do this, do that without doing it on my own channel. So what the method I want to tell you is by using your picture to live stream. So this is my friend. We both watched it on a popular YouTuber's channel, telling people that, okay, what you need to do if you want to get 4,000 watch hour within 7 days is by going on Google. Once you get on Google, you go and download a picture, a beautiful picture there. Once you download the picture there, you just put it on your green screen and use that picture to live stream. And once people are watching that live stream, you use it for your silent live stream. And I'm here to tell you that that strategy might have been working in the past, but it's not working anymore. It's not working anymore. Even before this July 15 update, this strategy have stopped working because even before this July 15 update, I've seen like 2 people that tried to monetize their channel before that July 15 update and they did not get in. I'm going to be leaving evidence, and I'm sure that they might even get to see this video and comment under it so that you know that it's real. If you have applied for monetization using picture to live stream and you got rejected, please drop a comment in the comment section so that other people will not fall victim. People are just wasting their data, they are burning their data, wasting their time, and at the end of the day, it breaks my heart that they will not be able to monetize using that strategy. Because let me tell you something, if you think that, okay, I want to just go over online and search for picture, I want to go online and use people's video to monetize, let me tell you, you are not the only one thinking that thing. You are not the only one that saw the popular YouTubers telling you to use that method of going online and taking people's video or picture. Other people's are all over the world. It's not even that only that creator that is telling you. Many creators are telling people also. And people are taking that picture. Okay, they're telling you to edit it small, reduce the brightness, increase the brightness, add words to it, add this to it. Let me tell you, you're still not going to make it your own content. Why don't you sit down? Maybe you saw that, okay, you saw a video online and you want to use it for your restream. Why don't you sit down and recreate that video? Sit down and make such a video. And if you see that, okay, my video is not really catchy like that, edit it and make it better instead of using someone's content that even if you get into the program, because a lot of people might be saying, okay, but I use that same strategy and I'm monetized. Let me tell you, you might be lucky and other people that will try that method might not get lucky as you. So this particular friend of mine, he used that same strategy. He went online and he took some pictures, all these random riddles, all these how many animal did you see, all these how many picture can you see in this picture, puzzle words and so on. And after he did not repeat same picture twice. Oh, he did not repeat same picture twice. Still yet, YouTube refused his monetization. They rejected it due to reused content. And this person did not repeat content. None of it was reused, but YouTube termed it as reused content. And this brings me to the conclusion that you might not even be repeating one video 2 times on YouTube and it will be termed as reuse. Reuse means you doing same thing all over again, same method all over again to maybe farm watch hour. The AI will now detect it as maybe you are trying to cheat. You going all over online and bringing picture every time, picture of that video, and you are not reacting to it. There's no voice there, and that voice I'm saying, I'm not telling you to use people's voice. If you go and use all this voice, you will get copyrighted. That's why if you want to go live streaming, normal, you want to sit down and go on live stream, you have to make sure that you are not sitting close to a television whereby there will be any copyright sound coming from your TV, or there will be any copyright sound coming from your area that will affect your videos. You have to be really careful when recording or when sitting for live stream for your YouTube. YouTube will give you copyright strike if you are sitting down close to where they are making noise, where they are playing music and so on. So you have to make sure that you are not using someone's content. That's the safest method. And I've also seen someone going on his live stream using his own picture and still did not get into that monetization also. As in not even going online to copy pictures o, because that YouTuber said you can use picture to live stream and get your watch hour fast fast like this. So person also used his own picture to live stream, whereby he was using different of his picture to live stream and he was getting engagement. Thousands of people were watching after he ended that live stream, and he finally got more than 5,000 watch hour, but still could not get into monetization. YouTube is against you just staying on live stream. Before, even you can face your live stream to the ceiling, you can face it to the wall, you can mute it and leave it there, thereby doing silent live stream and you still get your watch hour as people are entering. But now you have to be really careful, especially now that with this update. So now I see other people falling victim and I just can't sit down and watch my subscriber fall victim. Please, if you want to use Restream to monetize your channel, please make sure you are using your own content and make sure you are not using sound from people. You can make use of your own voice, make use of your own sound, and make sure that it's not close to a TV whereby they'll be hearing different sound. And if you want to use your picture to also live streaming, because it's a feature on YouTube, and I know that okay, it's legit, you can use it, because for YouTube to put it on their platform, that means you won't get in trouble using green screen. You have to make sure that there's at least sound, and please make sure that you are using your own picture. Make sure that it's not like you stayed on your live stream for 10 hours without a single sound. Don't mute it. And you can mute it for a while, and again after muting it for a while, just let there be volume. And if you are using Restream, you can decide to mute your Restream also. It's not like silent live stream is not allowed on YouTube. You can use silent live stream to monetize your channel. But please do not fall victim, do not repeat videos, and make sure you do not go and copy someone's content. Thereby you just put some basic edits, increase the brightness and so on. It's still the same content, please. And make sure that you are following all the community guidelines. Please, only kids are not allowed on live stream. You cannot just sit down on your live stream and someone just walk past you, maybe your children just walk past you and they are not properly dressed. You are definitely going to get affected. They are going to give you strike. So make sure that where the vicinity and live streaming is conducive, whereby there's no music coming from it, there's no disturbance, not like children will be walking around not properly dressed and so on. And make sure that only kids are not on your live stream. You cannot just leave a kid on your live stream. An adult has to supervise. An adult has to be in the live stream also. You cannot just put your kid on the chair and maybe go and attend to some things. It's going to get you in trouble. You have to sit there with your kid. Underage is not allowed on live stream. Underage alone. If you go on my live stream in my channel, you see that my daughter was always within almost all my live stream, but I was always beside her. So you have to make sure that you are always beside your underage kids on your live stream. So please, if you found this video helpful, please click on the subscription button, like this video, turn on the notification bell, and also share this video to other people that you think might find this video helpful. Thank you for always coming back to my video, and have a wonderful day. Bye.